Welcome to Paris, the city of lights, the city of dreams. Captured in breathtaking 4K resolution and transformed by the art of tilt-shift cinematography, Paris unfolds like a living miniature, delicate, precise, and poetic. From above, every bridge, boulevard, and garden appears handcrafted, as if time itself has been slowed down to allow us to see the city's heartbeat. Our journey begins at the Eiffel Tower, rising like a graceful sculpture of iron and sky. The tilt-shift effect miniaturizes the tower's grandeur, transforming it into a symbol within a toy-like landscape. Below, people gather like tiny figures in motion, their shadows dancing on the lawns of the Trocadero gardens. Here, the essence of Paris emerges, elegance in structure, harmony in chaos. Stretching westward, the Arc de Triomphe rises proudly at the heart of 12 intersecting avenues, a star-shaped tribute to the spirit of France. Viewed through a tilt-shift lens, cars spin around it like tiles in a board game, shimmering in the golden afternoon. The Champs-Elysées extends outward, once a royal road, now a vibrant artery pulsing with light and life. Far north, Montmartre rises, crowned by the white domes of the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Its cobblestone streets, once home to artists and poets, seem frozen in a sweet dream. In miniature, every stairway and cafe corner feels infinite, a small world where art is born and love lives. The Seine River winds through Paris like a silver thread. Bridges connect its banks like the stitching of a masterpiece. Pont Alexandre III, Pont Neuf, Pont des Arts, each a bridge between centuries. From this height, boats drift below like tiny memories, each carries the stories of lovers, painters, and dreamers. At the center stands the Isle de la Cite, where Notre-Dame rises powerfully. Its Gothic spires reach toward the sky, surrounded by miniature gardens and sparkling waters. Even in tilt-shift form, the spirit of the cathedral is palpable, a monument to resilience, faith, and light. As we move further away, we feel the pulse of daily life, cafes opening, bicycles drifting by, rooftops gleaming in the afternoon sun. Tilt-shift transforms these ordinary scenes into poetry, reminding us that beauty often lies in the smallest moments. Every cafe chair, every balcony flower becomes part of this delicate diorama. As the sun sets, Paris transforms into a golden sea. The Seine River reflects the fading sky, while the city lights awaken like constellations. From this perspective, the city feels both infinite and small, a paradox of grandeur and elegance. Paris doesn't just exist, it performs, breathes, dreams. In this miniature Paris, we rediscover the feeling of wonder, how something so vast can feel so intimate. Thanks to 4K and tilt shift, the city reminds us that even in the most magnificent places, it's the smallest details that make us fall in love. Thanks for flying over Paris. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe. Join me next time as I explore another world from above.